Welcome everyone. In this training section, we're going to discuss how to properly use the integrated barcode scanner that's located on the Motion Computing C5 Mobile Clinical Assistant. Now, please keep in mind, as you use the C5 barcode scanner, it uses light, not laser technology. So a lot of you have been used to using the handheld scanner, which is a laser scanner, and to properly scan you would hold the button down and you can move it back and forth like that to get a really good quick scan. With the technology that we're using, you can equate it to a camera where you should hold it steady. It will allow for some movement to properly scan, but you want to hold it as steady as possible. Now, keep in mind this integrated barcode scanner is ideal for close range scans. It reads poor quality, masked, or dense barcodes. So it's a great technology, and in the next couple of minutes we'll show you how to properly use it. Now, there's a couple of ways to do it. Number one is there is a trigger button located at the top of the C5. Right here, there is the marking on it looks just like a barcode. So when it's in a dock situation or resting on a table, you could put your hand on the handle, press the button down, wait for the red light to come on, you hear the audio tone, and that happy ting noise shows you that you had an accurate scan. Now, if you cannot read the barcode scan, after a certain period of time, it will just time out. So please keep that in mind. Also, you need to activate the trigger for each medication or wristband scan of a patient. Now, so he showed you the first way to do it is in the docking station, where you could just press the trigger button, or it's very common that people use the B button on the front of the tablet to trigger the barcode. Remember that. B is for barcode. Press, release, it activates the barcode, and you can scan your medication. On the table, it'd be the same way. You could hold the B button down, press, release, and scan. Some people, when they hold it, they like to have more leverage, so what they will do is they'll hold it in this fat manner here, press the B button, and have it activate. There are other ways to use the barcode scanner. One other way is to hold it upside down like so. You have your medical application open, you have the cursor in the proper area to accept a scan. Now you can just press the B button, pass the medication across the light, look to see if the scan was accurate, then take your next medication, press the B button, scan again. Notice how quickly it is scanning. And notice that I'm about 6 inches away from the actual scanner itself. So keep that in mind. If you're too far away or too close, you may not get an accurate scan. You will find the sweet spot, and the sweet spot is usually between 4 and 6 inches away. So to recap, there's a trigger button at the top. It's labeled as a barcode scan. You would press and release that to activate. There's a red target line. You put the target line within the barcode itself, and it will read. The happy ting noise tells you that it's properly read. The other way is via the B button on the front. Remember, B is for barcode. Again, press, release. You'll notice there's a red line appears. That's your target line. Pass your medication in front of it. When you hear the ting noise, you've made a successful scan. Okay, to properly scan a patient's wristband, their ID band, obviously in real life the patient might be moving and so forth, so you may have to stay the patient's arm to do it. But in actuality, it's really quick and easy using the B button. I'm going to press release the B button to activate it, bring it in close with 2 hands, and you saw how easy that scanned the patient's wristband or ID. So again, one more time, I'm just going to come in on the side, press, release, and hear the happy ting noise. It scanned the ID. Keep in mind, this is a bi-directional scanner. You can scan up, down, left, right, and so forth as long as you get the barcode scanned within that red target line.